Hello everyone, we are Facts. In today's video, we will be going over Ethereum 2021 Explained, what is Ethereum and how it works, Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Make sure to stick around to the end because the last one is mind-blowing. So let's dive in. Firstly, a bit of history on Ethereum. In 2012, age 17, Vitalik Buterin was introduced to Bitcoin by his father and became very interested in its technology. Vitalik began writing for Bitcoin magazine and suggested improvements to the Bitcoin platform. When these improvements weren't made, he decided to make his own cryptocurrency instead. His idea was Ethereum, and it went live in 2015. Since it started, Ethereum's price has gone up a lot, and it now has a market cap of $44.7 billion. So what exactly is Ethereum? It is a decentralized open-source operating system that offers smart contract functionality. Ethereum is a distributed computing platform that supports developing decentralized digital applications or DApps using blockchain technology. Ethereum provides a decentralized virtual machine called Ethereum Virtual Machine or EVM that can run scripts using an international network of public nodes. Ether is a value token of the Ethereum blockchain. It is listed as ETH on cryptocurrency exchanges. It helps you to pay transaction fees and computational services on the Ethereum network. In the Ethereum network, whenever the contract is executed, Ether is paid. Ethereum helps you to build smart contracts and decentralized applications without any downtime or any third-party interference by allowing the developer to create and publish next-generation distributed applications. It is said that this year, Ethereum will update to version 2.0. This update will bring several benefits, including more transactions per second, increased security, and reduced carbon footprint. While some consider Ethereum as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, we think this is a massive oversimplification. Both are valuable tools, but for different reasons. Bitcoin is a store of value, like digital gold. Ether is also a store of value, but when combined with Solidity, Ethereum becomes so much more. As mentioned earlier, Ethereum is also a decentralized platform with its own programming language, Solidity, and cryptocurrency, Ether. Many altcoins that are on the market today, such as Zero Times and Maker, are actually just Ethereum smart contracts. Ethereum is supported by the non-profit Ethereum Foundation and the Ethereum community at large. Developers across the world contribute to improving the product and making the platform more accessible for creators and end users. Here are some key terms on Ethereum for the ultimate beginners. Currency issuance. It is mostly managed and monitored by a country's central bank. It is also referred to as a monetary authority. Decentralized autonomous. Decentralized autonomous organization is a digital organization that aims to operate without the need for hierarchical management. Organizations or DAO. DAO is a combination of computer code, a blockchain, smart contracts, and people. Smart contracts. It is a digitally signed agreement between two or more parties that relies on a consensus system. Smart property. The Ethereum wallet is a gateway to decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. It helps you to hold and secure Ether and other crypto assets, which are built on Ethereum. Solidity. Solidity is the smart contract language used in Ethereum. It is a general-purpose programming language developed to run in the EVM environment. It helps you to perform arbitrary calculations, however, it aims to send and receive digital tokens and store states. Transactions. A transaction is a message which is sent from one account to another account that might be the same or empty. It can include binary data, which is called Ether. Ethereum Virtual Machine. The Ethereum Virtual Machine, which is also known as EVM, is the runtime environment for smart contracts. EVM is a computer layer straight above the underlying hardware. It is not just sandboxed, but isolated. Moreover, the code running inside the EVM doesn't have any access to the network, file system, or any other processes. Smart contract. It is a computer program that executes automatically. It is a transaction protocol that allows blockchain users to exchange money and property. It also helps users to perform actions like voting without any central authority. It is a virtual third-party software agent that can automatically execute and enforce terms and measures according to the legal agreement. 1 Ether is currently equal to $1,962.09, an increase of more than 22 times compared to a year ago. We believe investors are looking to diversify and are growing increasingly comfortable with Ethereum fundamentals, wrote James Butterfield, an investment strategist at CoinShares, in a research note on February 8th. The asset manager noted that the total fund flows were unusually focused on Ethereum, with 80% of the totaling $245 million allocated to Ethereum. Billionaire CEO Elon Musk said on February 20th that the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum seemed high at a time when the cryptocurrencies have hit record highs, with Bitcoin crossing the $1 trillion market capitalization threshold. Grayscale Investment Holdings, the most prominent global crypto asset manager, now has 3.16 million Ether under management as of February 18th. Ether accumulation shows the most significant change in its portfolio over the past 7 days, according to data compiled by bybt.com. Institutional buyers, inclusion by companies like PayPal Holdings Inc., and praise from individual investors like Mark Cuban have helped make a case for Ether. Cuban has said ETH has an advantage over Bitcoin as a store of value, noting he's buying more Ether, not Bitcoin, in an interview with the Defiant podcast. That makes sense, as Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency by design, allowing for so-called smart contracts on the blockchain. Thanks to Ethereum, a blockchain could be about much more than digital currency, writes Jeff Roberts in his book Kings of Crypto, one startup's quest to take cryptocurrency out of Silicon Valley and onto Wall Street. It was now also a one-stop shop where people could sign contracts over anything from sports wagers to investment agreements to data storage. In that sense, Roberts compares Ethereum to an ecosystem like Apple Inc. It served as a platform much like what Apple provides developers so they can build apps for its iOS operating system, he wrote. And unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum offered an easy-to-learn programming language called Solidity for anyone who wanted to build applications. Like any cryptocurrency, Ethereum exposure is not without inherent risk, with some analysts noting that the behavior of top traders at Huobi, Binance and OKEX may suggest a lack of appetite for long positions. However, other observers forecast the cryptocurrency's price pushing through to $2,700. Ether is still a relatively new digital currency, and its promise and applications across different industries may take time to unfold. Smart contracts on blockchain are real, and they remind of the early days on the internet, when people realized there was a network effect, Cuban said, noting that it took 25 years from that early stage of development. We are right at that point, right now, where smart contracts on top of blockchain allow people to take anything that's digital and turn it into a product and sell it. Now let us talk about everything that you need to know about ETH in 2021. It was actually Ethereum's ability to help launch new crypto projects as ERC20 tokens via what was called the initial coin offering, an early way for projects to raise capital via crowdfunding, where the investors received a portion of the coins for their initial investment. Much of the new tokens created could only be invested in through an exchange of Ethereum, which caused the asset's price to skyrocket at the height of the crypto bubble by retail investors seeking to strike it rich by finding the next Bitcoin at its earliest investment stages. However, the crypto hype bubble popped, and many of the projects built on Ethereum failed due to no fault of Ethereum's. However, the negative sentiment surrounding other altcoins and these new ICO-born crypto tokens caused Ethereum's price to fall. Ethereum started its life much under $1 and was only spare change per ETH during the crowd sale. In just a year's time, it reached a high price of $1,448, driven primarily due to the ICO boom, and was extremely profitable for early investors. After regulators began to crack down on ICOs, calling them unregistered security sales, Ethereum was used less and less for this purpose. However, this was due to the ICO boom ending, and not due to Ethereum's long-term price potential or projected growth. Aside from ICOs keeping the price going down, ETH news has been otherwise extremely positive. Speculation suggests that Ethereum's future is incredibly bright and will perform successfully as an investment asset and has a reliable long-term value projection. However, by far, the immense potential for Ethereum is the massive growth of decentralized finance, also called DeFi. This has dramatically increased the demand for Ethereum in recent months and has helped the altcoin set a new all-time high at above $1,478. Ethereum has already claimed a new all-time high in 2021, and the sky is now the limit, it seems. There is still a risk of double top pattern if a severe correction happens at current levels, but a breakout higher is due any day. Most analysts are expecting the Ethereum price to double now that a record is set. However, the height of the previous base structure targets a 1,300% rise from the point of breakout. That would take Ethereum price to as high as $25,000 per ETH. That's it for today, folks. Hope this video sparked some interest in investing in Ethereum and helped you understand some essential pieces of information on ETH. Let us know in the comments if you would like to invest in Ethereum, your opinions on the current market, and also drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and click on the bell icon for more videos from our channel. Catch up with you later.